Hi guys, Kandi Toybox here. Today you will need rainbow pony beads, white pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a piece of string that measures about 60 inches. And you're going to start by putting on 5 pink beads. And you're going to grab these together and let the beads go to the middle here. Okay, our next row, we're going to add a pink, 1 white, 1 pink, and then 2 white. And you're going to lay this down, and you're going to take your other piece of string and you're going to go through these beads. And you're going to grab both ends together and pull these. You're going to hold this and then pull down on these beads. That's what it looks like. Okay, our next row, we're going to put on 3 pink and 2 white. You're going to lay that down and you're going to take this string and go through all those beads. And now that we have it started, you can just grab both ends and pull down. Okay, our next row is going to be 5 white, lay that down and take our string and go through all 5. That's my cat. Thanks, Mel. Alright, our next row is going to be 5 orange, we're going to take this string and go through all 5 of those. Pull both ends. Okay, our next row is going to be 4 white and 1 orange. We're going to take this string and we're going to go through all these beads. Grab both ends and then pull. So this is what it looks like so far. We're going to add 4 white and 1 orange. We're going to take our string and go through all those beads. We're going to grab the ends and then pull it. We're going to add 5 white beads, lay it down, and then we're going to go through all 5 of these white beads. Grab both ends and pull. Our next row, we're going to add 5 yellow, take our other string and go through all of those beads. Grab the ends and pull. We're going to add 5 white. Oh, I'm sorry, 4 white and 1 yellow. We're going to go through all those beads. Pull both ends. Our next row is going to be 5 yellow. And we're going to go through all those beads. You're going to grab both ends and then pull down. Our next color is going to be white, and we're going to add 5 white. We're going to go through all those beads. Grab the ends and pull. We're going to add 5 green. We're going to go through all those beads. You're going to grab both ends and pull. Now we're going to add 1 green, 1 white, 1 green, and 2 white. And we're going to go through all those beads. Grab the ends and pull. We're going to add 2 green, a white, and then 2 green. We're going to go through all those beads. Grab your ends and pull down. And now we're going to add 5 white. And go through all those beads. Okay, now when we get to this point, we need to tighten this up a little bit, so you can pull the bracelet and pull these rows down, or grab them right here on both sides and pull. Now after you get that as tight as you like, we need to finish the bracelet. So depending on how the size of your wrist, you'll just have to keep checking. And we're just going to be adding five rows, or I'm sorry, 5 beads, 5 white beads, until you get the length that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I went ahead and ended up adding 8 rows of the white, and I'm going to show you how to tie it off. You're going to take one side of the string and go through all these beads. And then bring the ends together and tie a knot. and then you'll cut that off. And don't worry about it scrunching up like this, because once it's on your wrist, you'll be able to read what it says. And also, this stands for peace, love, unity, and respect. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.